In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to a Squarespace page. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and looking at your site's dashboard. From the main navigation, open your website view. This is where you'll access your site structure and all of the content areas you can edit. Next, head into Pages. You'll see your sitemap on the left, including your main navigation, any folders, and unlinked pages. Choose the page where you want to place your image. If you have multiple versions of a page, be sure you're selecting the one that's actually live in your navigation so your change appears where you expect. Once you've selected the page, switch into editing mode by clicking Edit. You should now see editable regions on the page. Move your mouse to the spot where you want the image to appear until you see an insertion point or a plus icon. Click to add a block. Squarespace builds pages out of content blocks, and images are just one of the many types available. When the block library opens, choose Image. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of the block panel and type Image to find it quickly. An image placeholder will appear. Click the small pencil icon on that block to open its settings and options. This panel is where you can adjust things like layout, how the image aligns with text, captions, and whether the image should link somewhere when clicked. Now, click. Add an image. This will open the image manager. Choose Upload File to bring in a new image from your computer. Select your file and confirm. Squarespace will upload the image and place it into the block. Larger images may take a moment to process, so give it a second if you see a loading indicator. A few helpful tips as you upload. Use JPG for photos and PNG for graphics with transparency. Keep file sizes reasonable so your page loads quickly. Compressed images around 150-250 key are often ideal for web use. Naming your file descriptively before uploading can also help with organization and accessibility. If you plan to display the image large, start with a higher resolution source so it looks crisp on high-density screens. After the upload completes, you'll see the image in the preview. From here, you can fine-tune the block's design settings, add a caption if needed, or set a click-through URL to direct visitors to another page or a product. You can always return to the pencil icon later to make adjustments. That's it. Your image is now added to the page. Repeat the same process anywhere else you want an image, and you'll have a polished visual layout in no time.